about solar drip irrigation for terrace gardening. Before we start, as most of us know, gardening adds years to life and life to years. Before we delve deep into some of the topics, let me tell you what is terrace gardening. Terrace gardening is also known as roof gardening, where vegetables, fruits and flowers are grown on terrace or balconies of buildings. How many of you all would agree that it can be done effectively through drip irrigation? What is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is the most efficient water and nutrient delivery system for plant growth. It delivers water and nutrients directly to the plant's root zone, featuring small units known as drippers. Advantage of drip irrigation: it prevents overwatering, results in less weeding, can be fully automated, and it is cost effective. If there is an efficient way to reduce power consumption, then it is solar power. What is solar power? Electricity generated through natural sunlight using solar panels are called solar power. This is eco-friendly too. What are solar panels? Solar panels are devices absorb sun rays and convert them into electricity. Some advantages of solar power: pollution-free, zero greenhouse gas emission, and economical for longer run. Let's explore now how our model uses solar power and drip irrigation for terrace gardening. Heat from the sun has converted into electricity through solar panels. Power generated through solar panels is used to pump water from the ground to the overhead tank. Water from the overhead tank is used for plants and drippers. Now we have seen how our model uses solar power and drip irrigation for terrace gardening. Let me share some quick bits on how we can do organic gardening. Use clay pots, grow bags, and this kind of cocoa pit pot and the coconut shells, and reuse these waste bottles to grow plants. Use perlite for better rooting and germination. This is cocoa pit. It's a natural fiber made out of red husk. It helps us loosen up the soil. How we get this cocoa pit? Any idea? It's so simple. If we grind this coconut husk, we will get cocoa pit. Avoid chemical fertilizers because it harms plants in the longer run. Use animal dung as organic fertilizer. Use seaweed solution or plant extract to increase soil fertility. Use Epsom salt for getting more flowers. Without throwing visible peel and fruit waste, we can make compost out of it. Let me tell you how to make compost. In a mud pot, add visible peel, fruit peel, eggshells, and waste leaves. Cover it with mud. Add little water and cover and keep it in sunlight for 30 days. Your homemade compost will be ready. Instead of throwing banana peel, you can dry and powder it and put for flowering plants as it is rich in phosphorus. Use neem oil solution to get rid of pests. Start from rice water as fertilizer and also pesticides. Keep flowering plants like marigold and chrysanthemum and along with other vegetable eating plants to attract bees and butterflies to stimulate better pollination. Are you all feeling excited to see my microgreens? Sure it is. Healthy microgreens. Microgreens are young seeds of vegetables and herbs which are rich in nutrients. These are my homegrown organic vegetables: radish, capsicum, palak, lemon and potato. Let me take out the potato. Here it
Show the
is.
potato. Show the potato, ma'am.
Here it is. Let me share some good info. NASA recommended indoor plants like snake plant, ZeeQ plant, rubber plant, and peace lily purify that by removing toxins like formaldehyde. It also reduces stress for us. Government encourages terrace gardening by providing leaves, cocoa pit, grow bag that subsidized it, and also provide solar panels in subsidized rates. I hope I have kindled the garden in each one of you. Happy gardening, stay healthy, bye.